7 most dangerous foods for the pancreas. Cancer risk. Did you know that only 12% of all patients survive beyond 5 years after being diagnosed with pancreatic cancer? Pancreatic cancer is one of the most aggressive and deadly illnesses. What's even more surprising is that amongst the numerous risk factors, some of the foods we consume every day can set the stage for developing pancreatic cancer. In this video, we'll be exposing the 7 most dangerous foods for the pancreas. But that's not all. We'll also be sharing the 5 superfood recommendations that can save your pancreas and keep it healthy. So let's get started. 1. Fried foods. Many of us love fried foods, especially our beloved onion rings, crispy fried chicken, and French fries. These are popular comfort foods around the world, but did you know they pose a significant cancer risk, especially to the pancreas? Studies have shown that consuming fried foods is directly linked with pancreatic cancer. But what could be the issue with eating fried foods, you ask? Well, the major problem associated with consuming fried foods is the high fat content. During the preparation process of these foods, they absorb excess oil, which leads to the increase in unhealthy trans and saturated fats in the body. These fats are a strenuous task for the human digestive system, especially the pancreas, which has to produce enzymes to break down these fats. Over time, the strain caused by these fats on the pancreas results in inflammation and the potential for developing cancer. In addition, the high temperature at which these foods are prepared leads to the formation of acrylamide, a harmful chemical compound known to be linked with cancer. French fries and potato chips are particularly high in acrylamide. Research has shown that acrylamide is carcinogenic in animal studies, and the International Agency for Research on Cancer considers it probably carcinogenic to humans. Considering the risks fried foods pose to the health of your pancreas, it's best to avoid them altogether. Alternatively, you can opt for cooking methods that don't require excessive oil or high heat, like slow cooking in a crock pot or slow cooker, pressure cooking, poaching, and baking or roasting at lower temperatures. The next food on our list is a notorious culprit for pancreatic disease. 2. Refined flour products. Refined flour products include foods like packaged snacks, white bread, and pastries. These foods are very common in our diet. However, they all fall in the category of foods that are dangerous to the pancreas. A study published in the British Medical Journal suggests a link between processed food, including bakery products, with pancreatic cancer. Refined flour poses major health risks due to its lack of nutritional benefits and high calorie content. During processing, it is stripped of essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals, leaving only carbohydrates behind. So, how does this affect the pancreas? When carbohydrates are broken down, they cause a rise in blood sugar. This spike signals the pancreas to produce insulin to manage the sudden influx of glucose. Over time, this constant demand forces the pancreas to work harder, leading to wear and tear on its cells. This can eventually result in developing type 2 diabetes, a significant risk factor for developing pancreatic cancer. Carbohydrate-dense foods containing refined flour also contribute to excessive weight gain and obesity, which lead to pancreatic problems, including cancer. Refined flour products are not the only culprits. Pancreatic cancer is also linked with the next surprising food. 3. Full-fat dairy products. From cheese, butter, whole milk, to cream, full-fat dairy products are used just about everywhere. But how are these harmful to the pancreas? Full-fat dairy products are high in saturated fats, which can increase cholesterol levels and lead to the formation of gallstones, which are hard deposits that form in the gallbladder. Gallstones can block pancreatic ducts, causing inflammation and increasing the risk of pancreatic cancer. The next food is even more dangerous than dairy products. 4. Processed meats. Processed meats are meats that have been preserved through methods like smoking, curing, salting, or adding preservatives. These include hot dogs, sausages, bacon, canned meats like corned beef, ham, salami, pepperoni, and deli meats like turkey and roast beef. While these foods are staples in many diets, they increase the risk of developing pancreatic cancer. According to the Pancreas Cancer Action Network, People who eat at least one serving of any of these processed meats are at a 19% higher risk than those who do not eat them. The fact that processed meats are preserved by smoking and the addition of other additives like nitrites and nitrates make them highly carcinogenic. These compounds alter and damage DNA, increasing the risk of mutations which cause cancer. In fact, the World Health Organization has identified processed meats like ham, bacon, salami, and hot dogs as Group 1 carcinogens, indicating a strong link to cancer. So, consuming these meats regularly raises your risk of developing pancreatic cancer, as well as bowel and stomach cancer. You won't believe the next item on our list. 5. Carbonated water. Did you know that consistent intake of 2 or more carbonated drinks weekly doubles your risk of developing pancreatic cancer? Just like high-carb foods, sodas and other carbonated beverages, often containing high fructose corn syrup and loads of sugar, cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. This triggers the pancreas to release insulin to manage the spike, putting excessive strain on the pancreatic cells. Over time, this strain can lead to pancreatitis or inflammation of the pancreas. Additionally, continuous insulin release can lead to insulin resistance, causing type 2 diabetes and increasing the risk of pancreatic cancer. Do you know what's even more concerning? Drinking carbonated drinks causes obesity, which creates an easy environment for cancer cell growth. The truth is that carbonated drinks lack essential nutrients and are often consumed in large quantities during summer instead of healthier options like water. This habit of consistently taking carbonated drinks can disrupt the body's smooth functioning and compromise pancreatic health. 6. Sweetened milk chocolate. This may come as a surprise to many, but sweetened milk chocolate poses a major health risk to the pancreas. Just like carbonated water, the high sugar content of sweetened milk chocolate forces the pancreas to release large amounts of insulin to manage blood sugar spikes. This overworking of the pancreas can lead to inflammation, setting the stage for the growth of pancreatic cancer cells. The next item on our list is a common cause of pancreatic cancer and other diseases. 7. Alcohol. The major function of the pancreas is to regulate blood sugar, and one of the foods that can prevent this function is alcohol. In fact, the odds of developing pancreatic cancer are increased by nearly 150% in heavy alcohol users. Alcohol consumption causes the pancreas to release toxic substances that lead to inflammation of the pancreas. Excessive alcohol consumption leads to fat deposits forming in the pancreatic duct. This blockage causes digestive enzymes to accumulate in the pancreas, resulting in severe damage. After learning about foods that can harm the pancreas and increase the risk of pancreatic cancer, you might be wondering about what is safe to eat. Let's cover some healthier alternatives that are safe for your pancreas. 1. Red grapes. Red grapes are rich in antioxidants, especially a phytochemical called resveratrol, which has been shown to protect the pancreatic cells from damage. According to the Pancreas Cancer Action Network, the consumption of red grapes helps to reduce the tendency of developing pancreatic cancer by suppressing cancer cells. You can add grapes into your diet by eating them as they are, or blending them with other fruits to make a refreshing beverage instead of consuming sugary drinks. 2. Licorice root. For thousands of years, licorice root was used as a remedy in Chinese medicine. This natural wonder soothes stomach issues, fights malaria and infections, and even promotes restful sleep. Studies have also shown that licorice root is 50 times sweeter than sugar, yet offers better health benefits than sugar, especially in reducing body fat. It contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, particularly glycyrrhizin, which helps to prevent damage to the pancreas. 3. Probiotics. Probiotics are naturally found in yogurt and fermented foods. They help to ensure a healthy gut microbiome, which helps to maintain the optimal function of the pancreas. Regular consumption of probiotics aids digestion and protects the pancreas from harmful pathogens and toxins. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are another pancreas-friendly food that contains a group of antioxidants called flavonoids. Consuming one serving of a blueberry smoothie can help improve your cholesterol levels. By improving cholesterol levels, there is a lesser risk of developing gallstones, which in turn reduces damage to the pancreas. 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and lime are widely known for their rich source of vitamin C and antioxidant properties. They help maintain healthy digestion, which is super important for pancreatic health. Research has shown that the consumption of citrus fruits also reduces inflammation and the risk of pancreatic cancer. Pancreatic cancer is one of the most aggressive and deadly cancers. While early diagnosis is important, prevention is key. Knowing which foods to avoid and which ones to eat play a significant role in cancer prevention. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the video showing on your screen right now to learn about another important topic for a healthier, happier you. See you there!